B right now, but when they get older, the numbers get bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
What's that green stuff?
Tattooing.
And just like that, it's tagged.
It's a female.
And you're done?
Done.
So you do 2 different tags. You got the yellow tag, and you got it kind of stamped. That's Mama there, huh? Are you worried about Mama at all?
Not that F one, because I already tagged her and she was a mean one.
Alright, let's go through that process. What's the green stuff again?
It's tattooing.
Tattooing, okay. So you gave it a tattoo in its ear.
You put the ink in and then you push the tattoo. It's got the little needles in there.
Oh, nice.
And you can switch the number just like that. Just roll it.
So it gets the tattoo and it gets a tag. Okay. And now we're going to drive around and look for another one?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, now you got to do the paperwork, right?
Yeah.
What's that consist of?
Write down their tag number, their gender, the date, and their weight. The pasture. And we need to go get the mom's tag number. K280 is what I think I said. And then we gotta rate their bag, their udder, and their teats.
Got to give it a rating. So that way they know whether they want to keep it or sell it.
Yeah, there's the...
Oh man, you got a formula. That's the magic sauce right there. So we're gonna go look at Mama right now.
Yep.
Alright, got the tag number from where it's at.
Yeah. We've got.
Now, why is there a gate around that tree? Is that, did we do that on purpose, or?
Yeah, or water is on the other side of that.
pretty calm.
Yeah.
What's that word? Docile?
Yeah.
Docile.
Herefords are known for being a docile breed also.
That one's full of milk. Not the baby yet.
See that cow there? Them's not horns on her, them's called skurs.
Skurs?
Yeah, if you can get up there and you wiggle them back and forth, they're not connected like a horn is.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I didn't know that. Alright, so the ones that have horns, wait, what's a pole?
Old means they don't have horns at all.
They don't have horns at all.
There's a skirt cow there. And this group up here is all polled. They have no horns or nothing.
So
I
the
don't
ones that do
know.
have horns, they're just called horns. There's no special name for them. But the ones that don't have horns are called polled.
Yep.
Now, is that a genetic thing, or is that...
Yeah. I don't really know if a skur is considered a polled cow or not, honestly.
There you go. That's a question for our audience.
Yeah.
You know the answer.
Yeah,
Let
if
us
you
know.
know the answer to that, let me know.
I got it. Let's try that. Yeah.
Exactly like that, but white. But I was catching them on big time.
There isn't one in there?
No, I didn't see a white one like
Oh, for some reason I was thinking there was one in there.
He kind of a dink. Better throw that one back.
Bed, decent size. Who's is bigger? Who's is bigger? Oh, you got me beat. Keep it?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God. It's raining.
So I'm going to clean one. I'm going to clean.
I'm going to clean them all, huh? Throw them back?
Yeah.
Alright, we don't feel like cleaning them. We're throwing them back. Throw them back?
Yeah.
Alright, we don't feel like cleaning them. We're throwing them back. It was fun though.
Guess they swim off.
Alright, got to hang out with Fred, my good buddy. He does this for a living. I gotta be honest, I'm super jealous. But thanks for taking us out and showing us calving season, right?
Yeah.
Calving season. So when is calving? Is it twice a year or just once a year?
Twice a year.
Twice a year.
In the fall and in the spring.
Man.
Our fall starts a little early though. It's pretty hot.
So we're ending the day. Now we're on our way home.
Dusty gravel lanes and the sun sinking low. Fields of barley swing where the wildflowers grow. Grandma's porch light shining through the evening dusk. Country roads forever in these memories we trust. Blue Ridge Mountains calling where the river's bend. Echoes of an old song where our hearts intend. Pine trees tall and whisper secrets from the past. Country roads forever, may their spirit always last. Take me back to country roads where time moves slow, where the heart an old song where our hearts intend. Pine trees tall and whisper secrets from the past. Country roads forever, may their spirit always last.